Imagine getting a car the same way you subscribe to Netflix or Spotify. No long-term loans, no big down payments, and the flexibility to switch cars whenever you want. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here. It's called car subscription services. In this video, we'll explore how car subscriptions work, why they're gaining popularity, the pros and cons compared to traditional buying or leasing, and whether they could become the future of car ownership. What are car subscription services? Car subscription is a new model where instead of buying or leasing, you pay a monthly fee to drive a car. Think of it as all-in-one car access. The fee usually includes insurance, maintenance, roadside assistance, sometimes even registration and taxes. Companies like Care by Volvo, Porsche Drive, Hertz My Car, and Enterprise Subscribe are already offering these services in the USA. For example, with Volvo's subscription, you pay one flat monthly rate and can change or upgrade your car after a certain period. Why people are choosing subscriptions? More people, especially millennials and Gen Z, prefer flexibility over ownership. With subscription, you don't have to worry about depreciation. You can switch between a sedan for daily commutes and an SUV for a road trip. Everything is bundled into one monthly cost, no hidden surprises. This fits perfectly in today's economy, where people value convenience and flexibility over long-term commitments. Comparison: subscription versus leasing versus buying. Buying: high upfront cost, long-term commitment, but full ownership. Leasing: lower monthly payments, but strict contracts, mileage limits, and no ownership. Subscription: higher monthly payments than leasing, but total flexibility, insurance included, and easy car swaps. Subscriptions sit between leasing and renting, offering short-term freedom but at a premium price. Pros of car subscription: white heavy checkmark convenience, one monthly payment covers all expenses. White heavy checkmark flexibility, switch cars to match your lifestyle. White heavy checkmark no depreciation worries, you never own, so resale value isn't your problem. White heavy checkmark great for short-term needs, perfect for expats, business travelers, or people testing EVs. Cons of car subscription. Warning cost: subscriptions can be more expensive monthly than leasing. Warning limited availability: not all states or brands offer it yet. Warning lack of ownership: you never build equity in the car. Are subscriptions the future? As more people move to cities, ride-sharing grows, and EVs become mainstream, traditional car ownership might feel outdated. Subscriptions could become the bridge between owning a car and full mobility services like Uber or robotaxis. Big automakers are testing the waters, and if prices drop, subscriptions could be as common as leasing within the next decade. So, what do you think? Would you ever subscribe to a car instead of buying one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.